beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and whoever is new, a warm hi to them. And my name is Shikutide and I'm the face of Girl Genie. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about my purple haul that I have recently done, and whatever the products I have bought, I'll just tell you about those things. So yeah, get started guys. Right now whatever I'm going to share with you, all the product cost me around 99 rupees 99 approximately, and apart from two products that I'll tell you obviously. So the first one is this two sheet masks, and these two are from Good Vibes obviously. So one is Lily and another one Lavender. The Lily one is all about radiance sheet mask and the lavender one is hydrating one, and both cost me 99 and 99. Okay, so I have used too many sheet masks, but these two are new to me, so that is why I'm going to try it and I'll let you know how it is. So the second one is Alps Goodness, and this one is a cucumber soothing face mask. By the name you can understand that obviously it is a face mask, and it is from the brand Alps Goodness. And the printed price is 99, but I have bought it from 90. Yes, I think I have bought it from, I made a mistake. This is the product I have bought with 74 rupees only, INR 74. Obviously I have not used it yet, but I will use it and I'll just let you people know how the product is, the Alps Goodness. Okay, so the next one, that is the Good Vibes Lemon Lip Scrub. Yes, you can see this is also from Good Vibes that I have already mentioned, and I think the printed price was, I have just there is no as such printed price, but in the site if you can find, the printed price is 115 115, but I have bought it at INR what, that is 99 as well. Actually they are having some discounts and sales, so that is why I have bought it. And I have heard a lot and I have seen some quite strong reviews, so for that reason I have bought it, and obviously I will use and I will let you know. Okay, so the next one, and this one is the kaolin powder from Good Vibes, light kaolin powder. It doesn't have any kind of paraben, sulfates, or it is obviously cruelty free. It costs 115. The printed price is 115, that is 115, but I have bought it with only 90 rupees. It is a the texture of this is powder. I have to mix it with some curd or water, and then I have to apply it on my face, and it is just kind of a face mask. So yeah, I'll use it and I'll share the review with you people. This one is the next. So the next product is Alps Goodness, and from Alps Goodness, and the product name is Sandalwood Face Gel. And personally I just love this packaging. I don't know why I love this wood finish packaging. I loved it. And this one is the sandalwood gel, and this is what it helps to calm your skin irritation, treat sunburn and suntan, and hydrates your skin as well. And the printed price of this product is 75, but I have bought it for 59 only. I have bought it for 59, and you can see maybe the pack is smaller, but if you have to try something, or you have to try something new, it is possible that it would suits your skin, so in that case you need this kind of smaller pack. So that is why, sorry, I have bought it. Sorry. And the next one is this sanitizer. It has to be in the list, and this one is the hand sanitizer, obviously from Good Vibes. They have launched a hand sanitizer, it named as Good Vibes. I don't know, I have showed it any other videos or not, because earlier also I have all purchased one and I have completed that, as everybody is using it, that is why. And the fun fact is, it cost me around 48, and the printed price of this one is 50, and it has some aqua flavor, and it is so good. Next to products that does not fit in that price range of 50 to 99, and as you can see, the next one is the face wash, because Good Vibes has given me an amazing face wash, and that was the prior one was about in the flavor of tea tree, and this is aloe vera. This one is the hydrating face wash, and it gives you a soothing effect, hopefully, because I have not used it, but I will use it and I will tell you. Yeah, the next one is obviously from Good Vibes again, and this one is activated charcoal peel off mask. Yes, it is that kind of peel off mask. I have not used it yet. I have used some charcoal mask, but I have not used that peel off mask, so I'm eagerly waiting to use it, and I'll obviously tell you the review. Okay, the printed price of this one is 249, but it cost me around 210. So yeah, and it is obviously no sulfates, no parabens, I have already told you, and the weight of this is 100 gram. So this much for today, and maybe you people are thinking that what I am watching at, and this one is that kind of a bill. Purple can give you this kind of a cash memo where all the prices they just list it up for you so that you people can understand. So yeah, so that is why I'm just watching at that bill, and I'm telling you the exact prices that they have taken for me, and I'm eagerly waiting for this to use it. I'll for now, maybe I'll be back with the review of these products. I will tell you the feedback, the exact the true reviews of each one. I will obviously tell you, and please let me know what is your favorite product from Good Vibes, or anything that you have bought from Purple, in the comment section. And obviously guys, this video is not paid or something sponsored like that, so you don't need to worry for that. And whenever I'll come with the feedback one, that also will not be the sponsored. Bye bye for now, see you very soon, and just be happy, stay positive, and just keep loving yourself.